Hello YouTube, back at it again. I got myself something, yes, I wanted to share with you. I got myself the logo from my channel on a magnet strip. Fucking unbelievable, eh? Yeah, well, I got two of them. First I wanted to get stickers, but yeah, so permanent, eh? You don't want that. You want to do it occasionally. So, and I'm gonna take you with me to the other side now for a little walk. In a home. That's also what I like to do. I play chess. See, but where we gotta put it? You know, this is a very, very, very busy street, and oh, I think in the front fender there's gonna be. I'm gonna clean it. I'm gonna put it up. I'm gonna record what's gonna happen. If somebody's gonna, you never know. It's a rainy, rainy day here in Drachten. Well, I got everything fixed and then done, so have to enjoy yourself a little bit. And I'm waiting for my gimbal so I can make some better, smooth recordings. Okay, un momento por favor. Oh guys, I got myself a perfect point of view, alleen I got it on upside down I think. This must be better I think. Okay, un momento por favor. Here we go, here we go. Here we go. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, so. guys. It's a little talk. It's on. Nobody sees it. Oh, unbelievable. Take a look at that. I'm gonna go put it in pauze. Zometeen om 1 uur komen er a lot of people langs and I see if they will see it. Hope I can record a few. Drink my coffee first. Well guys, back at it again, got my coffee. Do you even rook lift, bro? Do you play chess? Let me know in the comments. That would be nice. Well, un momento por favor. I'm expecting a lot of people. And I'm gonna sit here, drink my coffee and wait for my little son to come home and enjoy the dog. Un momento por favor. En ga je, guys, boys en girls, ze lopen op de ene kant heen, op de andere kant weer terug. Misschien moet ik hem daar ook nog maar even snel op plakken. Ik heb er toch 2 per slot voor rekening. Maximale effort. Maximum effort. Oh guys, little update. I put one on the other side too. Not filming it yet. I got one looker. I also want to do a shout out. Of course. Because I got 99 abonnees so far. I'm really happy about that. So yeah. Everybody watched. They looked. Pause is starting. I'll let him run for a while. You got it. A lot of smokers. Smoking myself. Tegenwoordig is het alleen maar vapen. Vapen, heet dat. Hello guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. This is for the view from the other side. Smoking as well. Smoking. Yeah, I have to be a little bit crazy in life. Waiting for my gimbal. Okay, a little bit pause. Because I can see the action coming, okay? Un momento, por favor. And action. Not so much action. Well guys, that is probably my gimbal I was waiting for. All the action you can get. Un momento, por favor. Hello YouTube, back at it again. Unboxing my gimbal. W126 live. Everything for the views. Too very bad. This guy already delivered before I had paid. Paid fast. Not as much, huh? I saw him, this was 35 euros. Bubble wrap. Who doesn't like bubble wrap? Aww. That's nice. For the gimbal. I don't even know what it is. It is the Osmo, guys. The Osmo DJ. Plastic. Oh, you smoke. What is that? Hey, Oh, look at this, guys. Wat is er allemaal? Oh, heavy. Ooh. Ooh. Boink, boink. Ooh, ooh. Guys. Isn't that not? Oi. Oh, cool, cool. Power on. Make a photo. On. They. Ja, how does it work? Hè? Ook een knopje in de rechter. Don't know how this works, we gotta find out. Why is there not a boekje? Oh, it feels nice. It also feels like the batterij is leeg. Power. Oh gosh. This is that what? Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'm gonna find me some dinges. I'm gonna put you guys through the window. No scanners, no scanners. Well guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe and I'll be back with more. First I'm gonna test the gimbal out. Found the handleiding, specifications, gebruik ze van. Figure that one out. Thank you for watching.